Times have changed in the hobby of model building and painting. Most modelers are now starting out using only water-based acrylics. This guide covers the use of acrylic colors, with the focus mainly on Acrílicos Vallejo, pioneers in this field. The intention is to share the experience in using acrylics with all model painters, whether they are just starting out or switching over from solvent-based paints. The information in this book is the result of nearly 20 years working with Vallejo acrylic colors and auxiliary products, and is meant to be used as a guide and reference.